Vietnam and Cambodia are perfect destinations for Lindblad Expeditions and National Geographic. We're able to delve into the ancient history that really defined these places and go through some of the more modern past that was really difficult for both countries. But the great thing is having a chance to go into modern-day contemporary Vietnam and Cambodia, the insider experience of going into the small villages and some of the major cities and seeing how these places are evolving and changing with the times. The Angkor temples that we visit in Cambodia are a mixture of all different kinds of architecture, various different kinds of symbolism and beautiful carvings. Angkor Wat itself is probably the best well-known of the temples, and it's the largest one that we see. It's a mixture of Hindu mythology and a lot of more modern Buddhist symbolism as well.
Besides, of course, the highlight Angkor temples in Cambodia, for me, the really special part of this voyage is the river environments that have really hardly changed at all in the last 1,000 years. When we go ashore, it's on the ground in the villages, in the floating villages, small boats. We see how people are scratching sustainable life out of the soil. The Mékong River is incredibly productive, and really seeing the fishing, seeing how they turn rice, bamboo, clay into brick and pottery is really fascinating.
The Jahan is a beautiful ship, and it's undoubtedly the most luxurious ship operating on the Mékong River. It's designed for an intimate group, small number of people, but all of the surroundings are luxurious. The rooms are quite large, everyone has a private balcony, and all of the common spaces are very comfortable. It promotes a great opportunity for people to relax and watch the river go by. It's 230 feet long and has quite a shallow draft, which makes it a great platform to get into some of the narrow waterways and to get off and explore at any point along the trip. That adds to the exploration that people are finding when they come to Vietnam and Cambodia. They're getting a sense of the culture, they're getting a sense of the scenery, but also the wonderful hospitality that goes into providing a relaxing environment.
Fantastic! Fantastic! I love it. This is what I came for. This is why I'm here. This is so cool.
Probably the most lasting impression is going to be the people and how warm and friendly everyone was. And the crew and the staff have been phenomenal. It was just a marvelous experience all the way around.
Vietnam and Cambodia are perfect destinations for Lindblad Expeditions and National Geographic. This part of the world has amazing culture. It has incredibly beautiful scenery, and it provides a lot of photographic opportunities. I think coming to this part of the world is a really ideal location for our guests because they have a very well-rounded experience.